I'm Clint Smith. I've been practicing law since 1985, and I want my clients to have peace of mind, so I can help you with that too. In most states, there is a threshold under which if you can not have too much property, too much value, you can actually do an estate plan that doesn't involve a trust and will not trigger a probate. And there are ways to do that. In Arizona, for instance, it's $75,000 of personal property. So if you just have your household goods and maybe a little savings account, you don't need to have a trust. You could do that through a will. You can designate where it wants to go. But here's another idea. If you have property that's over that, or even if it's under that, to make it simple, you can actually transfer that by executing documents ahead of time that will take effect when you pass away. That happens at bank accounts. That's called a pay on death or a POD account, where the person is designated. All they've got to do is show a death certificate and an ID, and they're able to receive the money. At the Arizona Department of Motor Vehicles, you can do a beneficiary designation on your vehicle, and it can transfer that person to that person when you pass away, similarly with just the death certificate and an ID. And even real estate can be transferred to your loved one by virtue of a beneficiary deed that says, I own this property while I'm alive, and when I pass away, it's going to go to whoever. And it could be multiple people, and that's totally okay. If it gets to be too many people, it kind of gets confusing. But if it's just a couple, 3 people, and they're going to get equal shares especially, that's a good way to go. All of those things help avoid probate, which gives you and your loved ones peace of mind. So that's just another way to go.